All right, so let's actually go ahead and try to work with the menu right there. All right, so um, I want to go ahead and I want to, create my link or my route, and I want to continue with this. So I want to go right here. Actually, I want to go and write in some comments. So this will be pay and success page, and this will be, yeah, this is actually checkout. All right, so yeah, let's go at the bottom of this and just go menu like that. Let's see if we copy this and go right here and paste. So this will go to product/menu, and we will go ahead right here and name this function as menu, and the name right here, it's going to be products.menu. Remove this, and I'm going to remove the middleware. All right, so what I want to do next is save. I want to copy this right now, and I want to go to the resources. I want to go to views and layouts, and I want to go to my app.blade.php, which is simply represents the master template, and there is the menu right there. And if we just go route like that, we paste this in and save. Now what I want to do next is go and grab the function name and go to the controller, and we can now work with this. So if I go at the bottom of this, let's paste the function name in, and I can copy this function and go right there and paste. So now cut this and paste like that. So what I want to do, I want to go ahead right here, and I want to go menu like that equals, and I want to grab the products. So for the products, I'm just gonna go product right there, and I'm gonna select let's see, I'm gonna get right away. We might change this query later. All right, so this is, first of all, right after this, I want to return this view. So and I want to go right here and remove this. So we will go to products.menu. Say, let's copy this and let's go to the products folder. Let's create this menu, blade.php, like that. All right, so let's now go to our design. If we go right here, we will see the menu.html right there. So yeah, let's go to this section, and let's go to this section also, and this section. So yeah, it looks like that we have quite a bit of sections in this file. So let me copy the 4 sections, paste, go down at the bottom and end section like that, because what we need to do next is to go right here. Sorry, not at this. We can go at the pay right there, and we can just extend and grab the section. All right, so I want to go right there and paste. So what I want to simply do next is remove this part, and I want to go ahead and go to the URL and go asset and go assets like that, slash, and simply grab the image name, paste and save. So yeah, this will be everything. So if we click menu right now, you'll actually see the page completely static, with some images messed up, I would say. So yeah, as you can see right here, there is this part which is simply desserts, where we can simply display a couple of desserts that we have, and there is this part also which says discover our products, and there is 2 tabs right here, the drinks tabs and the desserts tabs, and the images are not showing up right here because nothing is dynamic in this page. All right, and there is a form. We have a form right here for booking the table. I don't think that we will need it right here since we already have it like in the home page. So we are gonna go ahead and we're gonna hide it. All right, so if we go to this section, you will see right here that this is the section for the form. Yeah, there is the form. So I'm gonna go to this whole div and I'm gonna comment it like that and save. Now the form should be away right now. All right, so the form is gone, as you can see. Now what I want to do next is I want to display a couple of desserts that I have right here. So I want to go to products controller and I want to go select where I need to go like this first, where type simply equals drinks. All right, and I need to get, let me actually, before I get this, I want to go and order by, and I want to order by the ID, and I want to order this descendingly. All right, so yeah, there's something else which I want to do, which is like grabbing like 8, limit the number of data right here that I want to grab. So I want to grab like 8 desserts, like as it's showing right here. So I want to go take, and it should be actually like this. All right, take, let's see, we're gonna take only 8 like that. All right, so now save this. This should actually be desserts like that. So copy this right there and go compact and paste like that. So let's save this. Let's copy this and go to the menu right now. Let's go to the part for the desserts. You can see that we will have a couple of let's see, yeah, a couple of divs right there. So we only want to keep one and we want to go ahead and delete the others. So yeah, this is strings. All right, so that's fine. So yeah, there are actually desserts and drinks right there. So I did not see this for a second. So we should only like display for desserts and for drinks. So I'm gonna go right here to the controller back, and this will just be for like that. Save. All right, so let's go ahead and remove those, and let's go right here. Let's see. Let's go up at this part, and let's go for each desserts as dessert like that. All right, and let's go and paste this like that. And let's grab the dessert right here, and let's simply try and display the image. So if we go /assets, and if we go /images, and if we concatenate the dessert, well, actually I want it to be in the middle of these 2 dots. So yeah, I want to go right here and I want to go image like that. So let me copy this, and if we go right there and if we simply remove this image, all right, so there it is. There is the name of this dessert, and there is the price, and there is simply the description right there. All right, so let's now save this and let's see what we got. We actually have only 1 dessert. Yeah, did we grab the drinks instead of the desserts? That's going to be really, yeah, we grabbed the drinks. So sorry for the confusion. So if we go desserts like that, we refresh. All right, so now we can see the only dessert that we have. Now let's go ahead and grab the drinks. So if we copy this and if I go right there and paste, so this will be drinks like that. Copy this and paste it right there. And also go at the compact and pass in the data, save. Let's go back to the menu. Let's see, there is the drinks. All right, so we will also have a couple of devs and we need to remove them. And we need to go right here at, not at this part, at this part, and we need to go for each drinks as drink. We need to copy, we need to cut this whole div and paste it right there. So now let's go ahead and grab this drink. And let's go ahead and just, no, we did not. We don't need it to be like this. We, first of all, we need the asset, and then we need to go to the assets, and we need to go to slash images, and then we need to go ahead and concatenate, and now we can just paste drink, and we can simply just grab the image like that. All right, so yeah, cool. Let's now remove this and let's copy this right there. Let's go right here and paste this like that, and this will be name. Let's copy this also and go right here. So this will be price and this will be description. All right, so save this. So now we should see the two drinks that we have right here. All right, so there we go. So do we have time? I guess that we have time to simply go ahead and work with this part right here. So we're simply just gonna display the data again. I don't even know what's the function of this right here. If it's simply where we cannot go to this, to this item to simply add it to the cart and buy it. But let's go ahead and move to the next part right here. All right, so what I want to do is go down at the bottom and let's see what we got. So there is our products, there is this part right here. All right, so so what's going on basically right here, if it clicks on this, it's gonna go and trigger the drinks. All right, so the area control is v pills 2, and there is the role tab. All right, and there is the href, which is the thing that we need to take care of. So we need to look at the items which has this href. So we need to go right here. Tab dash pane plus dash pane fade show active. All of that is a bit confusing, but I would say that these are the drinks right here, and I want to go ahead and I want to remove those whole drinks from here, and I can actually go ahead and loop through this div, this whole thing right here. So I just want to go for each drinks as drink. Let's now cut this and paste right there. All right, so let's copy this. Let's go right at this part, and we can just go asset, and we can go assets slash images, and we can go slash and concatenate this and go drink and go image like that. All right, so let me simply delete this part, and if we go right there, copy this and go at this part right here. and paste it like that. So this will be the name. And if we go right there and paste this in, so this will be the description. And if we go right here, this will simply be the price. All right, so, and this part will this part and this part and this part, you know, these each strips right there, those will allow us to simply go ahead and go to the single page. So I want to go to the home page where we're simply display, you know, a bunch of our products, and I want to grab the link right there. All right, I want to grab this link. If we go right here at the menu, and if we simply paste this in, so this will actually be drink, and I want to copy this, and I want to also paste it at this part and at this part. All right, so now let's save this. All right, so as you can see, now we're grabbing the drinks. If we simply try to access this, and if we try to access this, we should go to the single pages. All right, and if we click on this, of course, we're gonna still see the static data. All right, so as you can see, there is this drink right here, and there is also this drink right here. So awesome. Let's go ahead now and try and, you know, work with the second tab, which is the desserts tab. So we have like a couple of divs right here. So let's go like that. All right, so now let's remove this, and let's go right here. And if we go for each desserts as dessert. All right, let's now cut this div and paste it like that. Let's now copy this, and if we go right here at this part, we go assets, image, and if we remove this part. All right, and let's go right here and paste it like that, and let's go name, and if we copy this, we want to go right here, and you want to paste this in, so this will be description. And let's also remove this and paste this like that, and this will be price. All right, so I guess that this is everything. All what we're gonna do now is just copy this and go right here, add the part for the link and paste it. So this will be dessert instead of drink, and you know, we will also copy right here. I'm gonna go and I'm gonna go press Alt and paste it like that. All right, so it looks like that we have, you know, we made a mistake. So let me go back. Let me do it for only one, and let's see what's gonna go down. So where is the mistake exactly? We're going route, and we're just concatenating the ID right here. So what's going on? Copy this, paste like that. All right, so it's fine right now. Let's also copy this and go right here and paste like that. Weird. All right, they were not working before, but now they're working. So let's save this and paste. Save this, you know, save the whole thing. And if we click desserts like that, all right, so we only got one. So there is a problem with the image. So let me go back to the image asset. We're gonna go to assets, and then we're gonna go, I guess that this is actually images, not image. Yeah, I forgot the S. So just type ds and the image should actually show up. All right, so there is simply the image right there. And if we simply try and open this up, it would actually open up like that. All right, so as you can see, there is actually the image for this dessert. So yeah, this is actually everything, and I will see you on the next video.